Hello everyone! Welcome back to the GeoVision Technical Support YouTube channel. Today I'll guide you through the step-by-step process for transmitting people counting data from GV-VMS 20 to the GV Web Report. Configure the people counter on the camera web interface. Configure people counter on GV-VMS. Set up web report on GV-VMS. Check people counting report on GV Web Report. Configure the people counter on the camera web interface. Before configuring people counting on GV-VMS, we need to first enable the option from the camera web interface. In this example, we are using the GV-GBL4911AI camera. Log into the camera via your web browser and click on Config. Event. Target counting by line. Click Enable. Now click on the Draw area to create a line. Define the detection zone by holding the left mouse button and drawing. Then, in the Alarm Line section, select the direction for entry. Click Save. Configure people counter on GV-VMS. From the GV-VMS dashboard, go to the toolbar. Click on Configure. Then select Video Process. In the Setup dialog box, select the IPCVA from the Video Analysis dropdown. Make sure the right camera is selected on the camera list. And click Settings. Enable Object Count. Set up Web Report on GV-VMS. On the IP Camera Video Analysis page, click the right arrow button on the AI event. Select the detection region that we drew on the AI camera's web interface. Enable Web Report. Now click Setting to configure the connection to GV Web Report, enabling real-time data transmission. Enter all the information required for your web report server. And click Test to verify the connection. Unlike GVNVR or GV-VMS 17 and 18, DB-Sync 2 is not supported by GV-VMS 20. Check people counting report on GV Web Report. The people counting page provides data on the number of people entering, exiting, and remaining within the surveillance area. This is all for today. Thanks for watching.